revolution is the reason why jeans are free. If you want to know what we are, convince prediction of suffering of a nation and formatting of a possible source of hope and recovery.
Taray ni Winnie.
May sausage pa na yun? Hindi. Galang ko section 1 yun.
Associates yan, si Angge.
Ano ka ba yung ano?
I have always
Ka
loved
magulo.
my poor country, and I am sure that I love her until death. If by chance men are unjust to me, and I shall enjoy the happy life. Pretended
Ka magulo.
Happy life.
I have suffered. My
Ang gulo mo,
past,
Ate Jess.
my present, and my future. My love, my life, my pleasures. All of these I have sacrificed for love of her. Ergo,
War. Tama.
Tama, war.
War.
Ay! Lalabas ko sa
Yung pala yung pinag-uusapan nila dyan.
Oo, makakas na mukha ni Kuya. Ba't nasa gilid sila? Wala sa to.
You want to know what we are? We inhabit forests, mountains, and rivers. War is peace. Living seal. Martial music. That classless language of the heart. Who celebrate labor. Wisdom of the mind. Peace of the blood. You want to know what we are? Who become animate at the race mentality. The souls accumulated strength. Who tremble in the winds that elevates the earth's position.
Ang ito yung
Just as
kapatid ni
flowers
John.
unfold to the sun. If you want to know what we are, who grow powerful and deathless in countless counterparts. Each part pregnant with hope, each hope supreme, each supremacy classes, each classes nourished by unlimited splendor of comradeship. We are monsters, the world over. Millions, millions, millions everywhere in violent factories.
Nyangge.
worship.
Bangs panira dito sa babaeng to.
I want her. Here you are. Come here, you best.
I'm hurting you. Go on. You spare me. Go on. I have suffered enough.
Shut up.
Joining federates.
Oh my God.
It's too rich like war.
are the living of dead men everywhere. The unquenchable truth that lasts memories great. To start the life of birth with promise of unlimited happiness and endless humanity. We are the living and the dead men everywhere. If you want to know what we are, observe the bloody glass flashing heads. The veil that penetrating the hollow breath. Giving no mercy. Watch the bullet. Crashing upon our frail citizens. Look at the tigers. Choking. No video.
Michili, Carl. Carl.
You want to know what we are? See that each street does to me. Circle not break.
Remember the wisdom given by detectives. Confess the crime. He is wrong to bed because he was honest.
And you stood alone before a rapid jury of 10 men. And who was sentenced to hang by a judge whose words were arrogance, betrayed the office in Enzo, James the Martin, the violator of secrets,
Uy, nakasama tayo ah.
Ayoko na mag-video. Tama na to.
Wala ata kapatid ko dyan.
We are the sufferers who suffer for natural love of men for men, who commemorate the humanities of every man. We are toilers who toil to make the starboard a place of abundance, who transform abundance into plenty. We are the desires of anonymous men everywhere, who impregnate the wilderness clusters with gleaming fluorescence. We are the new thoughts and the new foundation, the new venture of the mind. We are the new hope, new joy, new life, everywhere. We are the vision and the star, the voices of faith. We are the terminals of inquisition, the hiatuses of a new
Ang ganda
crusade.
ng ano nila yun, no? Teka.
We are the subterranean subways of suffering. We are the will of dignities. We are the living testament of a glowering race. You want to know what we are? Do you want to know what we are? Do you really want to know what we are? If you want to know what we are revolution.
Tignan natin kung sino sa mga nagturo ng excellence ang pinakamagaling.
What we are by Carlos Tolosa.
Nag-peace sila bandang huli.
We are the new generation of revolutionaries.